Search. Command prompt. Run as administrator. You use the cipher command to permanently delete files on your Windows computer. The command is simple but takes quite a long time to complete. Cipher. W. 2 dots. Partition you want to permanently delete files from. This command does not affect files that have not been deleted. For example, in this case, I usually command on the system partitions storing the Windows operating system. I started at 3 p.m. It takes a very long time to complete. And finished at 4:31 p.m. These are the steps to permanently delete files on a Windows computer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.